we're coming into the tail end of fourth cut here. I don't know if corn is going to be ready to be chopped a week from today, if we'll be into that or not. But I'm riding over to the field with Sarah here. Fourth cutting hasn't been the greatest. It's been a little bit on the light side, but we're getting it cleaned up. Last year we put fourth cutting in two ag bags. We're actually feeding that out right now. Feeding both bags at the same time because they're side by side. And this stuff here is going into a couple of small bunks. They're not working on this road anymore here. Hopefully they don't start paving it today. You got a couple of them this way. You got a garbage truck and a car after the garbage truck. I think you can make it after this car. There's a Jeep coming. Nope, there's no freaking car coming. Oh, and then we got this guy rolling out. Jared doesn't have any manure in the lagoon. He's been here. Well, him and Alex are hauling right now. We'll meet them later on. We're going to be getting farther away. By the firehouse is a fire call. Yeah, they ground this pavement down the other day. Were you hauling manure? I don't know when they'll be paving this, but we've got material that has to come this way, so we're going to be into it here a little bit. But oh well. Now this is something that needs addressed here. We're in a taller vehicle, and you've got these godforsaken signs. That one there, that one right there, and it makes it really hard to be able to see oncoming traffic in these spots where they've got these goofy freaking signs. It's all right when you're in a freaking car, but when you're in a truck, you know, there's Smitty right there coming across with his Western Star, and you know, he has to deal with it too. But trucks and tractors, wave to Tom, it's hard to see. You gotta get yourself right out there. Sarah's staying back so that she can see, but if you were right up on it, you can't see past the frickin' signs. Should come down with a telehandler and just push them over. Yeah.
It's not anything important.
Yeah, it's nothing important. I mean, yeah. probably 4 miles away. Get inoculant dumped in, and we're just going to start in. A little bit of the dew that needs burned off, but I need to run some wet stuff through the chopper to get the built up stuff off of it. So we'll join up with you guys when we get to the field. We are here, and you might be wondering why I have this spout like that. I ended up running some corn through the chopper to get an idea of what the moisture is like, and I forgot to put the freaking pipe back. So, yeah. Try to get some footage of the fourth cut getting chopped. See if I can't run the drone here and the chopper at the same time. Today is September 12th, 2025. using autofill. In case you're wondering, so I've just got one hand on the steering wheel, the other hand is flying the drone, which I'm not doing any fancy movements with the drone, you know, doing any kind of circling around or anything, but maybe we can get a little closer here, a little better shot. Use my directional a little bit here. Chopping with the drone. Got some footage when we were doing second cut. Yeah, I think it was second cut. Didn't get any footage chopping third. Obviously didn't get any footage chopping first cut. I had a gap in trucks here, and I figured I would throw the drone up in the air. The drone does have, like, where it'll do active follow, but I can't get it to work on the chopper. I don't know why. Here. Sarah to the end of the field, she'll have enough on it. You got enough on. Yeah, we'll get Jacob in here now. Then put the largest load on Sarah, but I also wanted to be able to fly the drone and not crash it. Get autofill going on this guy. So we got Timothy, he's just pulling in. We'll take him the length of the field. And we'll get you guys landed, and I gotta get to the next field. Put into group text Mary Thorpes, Tim.
Hey, what's up?
Put into group text Mary Thorpes. Well, this is the last piece of hay that we are going to chop for 2025. We had a good run this year with chopping hay. We're going to move into chopping corn here next. So with that being said, that is going to do it for this video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and we will catch you at the next video. Take it easy, folks.